How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Let's get right into the video. Open your Instagram app, make sure you are logged into it. Now you want to tap on the profile picture on the bottom right corner, then tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Here you want to tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and tap on account. Now here you want to scroll down, then tap on switch to professional account. And that is how you can change your profile to professional account. Keep on tapping continue. Add what best describes you. You can also search the category or just tap on what is on the screen. Then you want to tap on done, then tap on OK. Tap on creator if you're a creator, and if you're a business person, tap on business and then tap on next. Then here you want to go ahead and tap on OK. Now your profile has converted into the professional account. Here you'll also be able to check the dashboard. Now to change your professional account back to personal account, you want to tap on 3 horizontal lines and then tap on settings. Then you want to go ahead and tap on account. After that you want to scroll down to the bottom and then you want to tap on switch account type. After that you want to tap on personal account. Then tap on switch to personal account. And that is how you can switch your Instagram account back to personal account. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really hope this video helped you out.